My name is Varun, currently pursuing MBA in Kristu Jayanti College, Bengaluru Autonomous. In this presentation, we will analyze the data using the Tableau. In this presentation, we will look into the record of 10,000 collected for some survey purpose, and it is not easy for us to analyze that data using Excel. We can't identify what is the sales per region, what is the profit of the region wise, what is the sales forecasting for the future, and what are the subcategory wise sales, and so on. So in this presentation we will try to analyze what is the region wise sales, what is the region wise profit, and we will forecast the sales, and what is the subcategory wise sales, and what is the segment wise sales and profit. First we will analyze the region wise sales. We can see in the graph that blue color stands for the furniture, red stands for the office supplies, and green stands for the technology. And the four graph stands for the four region, that is south, north, east and west. Here we can observe that compared to the region wise sales in the south, the other regions sales were comparatively less, and some regions it has more. It says that in every region a company cannot expect for the same level of sales because the taste and preference of the consumer varies from the culture and the place where they are from. So the sales differ from one region to the another region. Next, we will analyze the region-wise profit. In this graphical representation or pictorial representation, you can see that the green stands for the west region, blue stands for east region, and south stands for pink color, and yellow stands for the central region. By seeing this, we can easily analyze that compared to all other regions, west region has earned the more profit, then followed by the east region. This says that every region, as I said before, we cannot expect the same rate of profit. So the profit varies according to the amount of sales we have made. In this graphical representation, we have forecasted the sales for the future. Forecasting means estimating what may be the future before it will happen. Here the blue line shows that the actual sales which has happened now, and red line shows what may be the sales in the coming days, that is forecasted sales. So we have forecasted according to the period, means what may be the future sales. So according to that the company can plan, execute and can earn the profit according to what their objectives and their target. In this graph we can see the subcategory wise discounts. The discount is from 11.0 to 557.0. Here we can see that there are various subcategories like table, appliances, storage, machine, labels, art, chairs and so on, phones, and every subcategory have their own discounts. As I said, we can not give the same level of discount for the all the products. Discount will vary according to the product and what the company decide, according to that we may give the discount. So in this we can easily analyze upon what appliances or home appliances or furniture we have get the more discount compared to the other appliances. And in this graph we can see the region wise sales and profit. As in first slide only I have explained about what the sales in the region and what may be the profit in the different region, and we have observed that compared to the south all other regions have the greater amounts of sales, but in south we have the less amount of sales. But when we look into the region wise profit, the profit in the west was more compared to the all other regions, and the south have the least amount of profit from the second last. And here also the blue stands for the furniture, and red stands for the office supplies, and green stands for the technology. We can see that when we look into the segment wise profit and sales, the bar graph indicates that there is no equal sale and profit for the categories. Here we can see that in green stands for the technology, but the amount of sales of technology is less, but the profit earned upon the technology is high. Similarly, we can see that the furniture sold is high, which is represented in blue color, but the profit earned by selling is that also less. So we cannot analyze the data which is in the tabular form very easily, and we cannot say like this, like in north the profit is more and in south the sales is less, so it has happened that like. By using the tabulae we can convert that all the data into tabular form and we can explain easily. So in this slide I have created all that 5 analysis in a single slide. It's called as dashboard in the tablet. By this we can easily explain to anyone or our competitors or anyone, saying that by this graphical representation we can easily say that the things are like this, and region wise profit, this region has more profit, this region has more sales, and the subcategory wise what are the discounts and what product have the more discount and so on, and we can forecast the sales. So I can easily say that by tabulate it helps us to represent and the data in the graphical form and help us to easy analyzing of the data, and based upon the analysis we can forecast and we can cluster and we can plan and execute. So thank you.